Hey, okay. Hey, Kate, look at Mama. What do you think you're doing? Oh no, you're wild. Let me have it. Let me have it. Let Mommy have it, please. Caden. Hey. God! Give me that. No. Don't hit. Don't hit. Don't hit. Go hit the bed. Hit the bed. Look at me. Crazy man. Look at me. Caden. Crazy man. You are. Are you crazy? Oh my goodness. That's it. Here I come. You better not. Okay, give it to me. No, you can't hit stuff like that. Put it on the bed only. Okay. You're done. No, I told you not to hit that. Are you going to stop hitting it? Are you going to stop hitting? Don't hit any furniture. One more time and you're not going to get it back. Okay? Only the bed. You're wild, aren't you? Yes, you are. You're wild. Oh. You're... What is it? Yeah. I don't know what you're saying though. Oh, oh, you scare Mama. Look at. Oh, oh, oh. Wow! You just did the split, dude. Did that hurt? You're getting crazy. See what happens? Don't hit nobody. You are wild. What did Mommy say? Do you want me to take that away from you? Huh? Okay, you want to give it to Mommy? Hey, what did I say? What? Oh, God! Give that thing to me! You just broke Mommy's... Look at you just broke my hand. Owie! You're gonna give Mommy kisses? Thank you. You gotta be careful. That really hurt. Ouch. You gotta be careful, baby. That hurts. Don't hit. Oh, it's okay. Mommy got one. Thank you. Okay, say bye to the camera. Say bye, camera. Say bye to the camera. Bye-bye. Yes.